Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick guide on how to initiate disputes as a merchant. So, after you have logged into your account on web, you navigate down to the left-hand side of your screen where you get to see dispute. When you click on it, a page is displayed, and if you have created a dispute before or initiated one, you get to see all of it here. So, for this tutorial, we'd like to create a new dispute. So you go to the top right hand side of your screen where you see the initiate dispute button, and then you click on it. A mini tab like this is displayed where you get to fill all the necessary information as regards the dispute you would like to log in. So you click on the drop down button to select the category. If you do not find the category you are looking for over the listed ones here, you can just choose the others. And after you're done, you input the title of the dispute you would like to initiate. After you're done, you give a brief description of what the dispute is all about. So after you're done imputing the description of what the dispute is all about, you can do well to add the reference and as well as the image of the dispute that you are initiating. Once you are done imputing all that information and you have confirmed that everything is correct, you can now proceed to click on the initiate dispute button. And then you get a pop-up notification like this saying a dispute has been created successfully, and every other dispute that you get to initiate get to appear here. And over here you get to see the status of each dispute, from new to if it's been followed up to if it's been sorted. You get to see the status of each dispute over here. So that is how easy it is to initiate a dispute on the Makesales platform. Until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye.